Well, Finley, it's time for our adventure. I can't wait, Fairy May. It feels like a dream. Wow, look at them. They're so small. Yes, isn't it wonderful? Wow, it's bigger than I imagined. Look at the light over there. Do they have tiny umbrellas when it rains? Oh, Finley, bees are much too fast for rain to bother them. Oh, Finley, that's such a silly question. But what if we used it to grow giant strawberries? Look out, it's raining! Oh, stop it! You're so silly! Look, Finley, the giant beehive. Wow, it's so big and bustling with bees. Whoa! Gotcha! Thanks, Fair May. You saved me. Just glad I was there. I'm scared. Don't worry, I'll protect you. It's okay, little one. Shh, I've got you. Whoa, whoa! Are you okay? Don't worry, little one. It will be all right. Wow. Thank you, Finley. Now you're all better. I want to go home now. Just look up there. Wow. You are stronger than you know, Finley. Thank you, Fairy May. I can do it. Look how low they fly. They must be dodging the heavy rain. Magical, isn't it? Wow, that was close. Well done, little friend. That's one brave bee. The bees work together, collecting pollen and sharing information. Wow, that's amazing. Look at them go. They're beautiful. Don't worry, I've got this. Wow, you did it. Thank you. Look, Finley, they're so busy. Wow, Faye, they are so cool. The bees use this sticky golden propolis to seal their hive, Finley. Wow, it's so sparkly. How do they do that, Fairy May? Wow. Oh, it's amazing. Look, it's a living wall. The bees work together to make a magical shield. Wow, they won't let the water in. See? Amazing. Teamwork is strong. Hooray! Oh, Finley! We did it! Yes, we did! Look, Finley, the rain can't get past our magical shield. Wow, that's amazing, Fairy May. You too can overcome any storm with persistence and courage. I know I can. I feel brave now. I knew you would, Finley. The storm is clearing. Wow, look at the sun. It's beautiful. Magical. Their teamwork is incredible. They work together, like we can. Time to go home. Whoa, it's working. Wow, look at the stars. We're growing. This is amazing. Together. Look, Finley, it's glowing. Wow, that's amazing, Fairy May. Watch this. Oh, wow, that's incredible. I'm big again. Thank you, Fairy May. You're very welcome, Finley. Now you can get home. You showed great bravery during the storm, Finley. Thank you, Fairy May. It was scary, but I remembered what you taught me. I kept trying and trying, and even when it was hard, I never gave up. Yes, that's it, Finley. So proud of you. Remember the lesson of perseverance and bravery. Never give up, and you can achieve anything. Yes, that's right. Believe in yourself. Hi, everyone. I have a surprise for tomorrow. Are you ready? Come along with us. Join our adventure.